Good morning, it's Sunday. This is our Sunday morning vlog. We're about going to church, but before getting ready for church, I just want to make breakfast for the kids so they eat before we go to church. Today, we will not be going to our normal church, our usual church. We'll be attending a new church altogether. The reason why we are attending a new church is because our old church is somehow far away from my home. So I'll be taking my kids to the church close to my house. We are trying the church for the first time, so let's see how it goes. Are you ready? Dance. Stop! Dance! Now let's do. Stop! Dance! Everybody say yeah. When we arrived at the church, I met this woman, the one you're seeing here in the video. I asked about the church. She told me she's also new, but she has been attending the church for a while now, and she told me some certain things about the church and how they are caring and nice. So she told me more about the church and how they care about the well-being of their members and all. So I took my children to the children's department, and then came into the adult church.
The blessings he has for you. He will give you beauty for ashes. He will give you the oil of joy for the morning. He will give you the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. He will enable you to stand tall as trees of righteousness, the plantings of the Lord, so that everything in you and about you.
Remember when I walked in, they gave me this bulletin to read, and inside the bulletin there are some envelopes in it. So the envelopes are for offerings, project buildings, and other things. These are the envelopes, 4 of them. So at this point, the general overseer is almost done with, I think he's done with the preaching. Now he's coming down from the stage.
Praise, give God praise. Give God praise and glory. Give God praise.
Now it's offering time, so it's time to give back these envelopes that was given to me. So I had to put in some money into the envelopes. We are done with the church service and we are outside right now. So I decided to take a little picture of my children. Then after that, I came back home and started cooking. We have to eat now, Abby. It's Sunday, so I had to make rice and stew for the family. So please, let's cook, okay? Please cook with me. Make sure you like this video, okay? Thank you.